Jay here. I'm going to show you a little hack that has to do with how to use water bottles to purify and how to keep them like straight while you're doing it using a Sawyer filter. So let's do it. So right off the bat, what I do is I buy 2 smart water bottles, okay? Just like this. Everybody uses them, super light, super easy to use, right? And why I buy 2 is because once I drink one, I use it as my dirty water, okay? So let's get our purifier out. And I just use Sawyer style. They have the larger ones that are to squeeze, but I'm here in Michigan and these rivers are really good, so I don't worry about it too much. So first thing I have to do is go fill up my empty bottle, and then I'll show you my little hack that I do to mark this bottle as dirty water. So let's head down to the river. When you're filling your water bottle, you want to keep it away from any type of like silt or dirty water. So I like that the clean water is flowing towards me, so it's a perfect spot to fill. All right, I was able to really sink it in there and get a lot of clean water out of it. Come on up here. And what I do is, now this one's dirty, but it looks exactly like this one that's clean, right? So simple trick, simple hack. On my water purifier, I have red rubber bands. I just take them off. And I carry a couple of them because my son has this same dual system of 2 water bottles like this. And then I just put the red one around the dirty bottle. That way it's kind of like a warning sign, like don't drink out of this one straight. And if you've never used one of these just kind of squeeze styles, basically what you do is just take off the cap, thread it right on, fits any standard bottle. And then I always keep this cap on to keep that end clean. And then you just go ahead, and this is full right now, but I'll just show you. It takes a little bit, and you just kind of, I squeeze kind of slowly. What it does is it has all these micro membranes in here that it sends the water through, cleaning out all the dirty and contaminants and stuff, all the way down to 1 micron. So then when you're done, some people can leave it just like this and put it in their pack. I think it's kind of awkward. So I just kind of unscrew it and put the top back on. And what I like about this is, even if you've got a full bottle like this, at any time you can just load up on know it's dirty water with your rubber band on it, and when you get to camp, when you're cooking or whatever, just use this to actually filter your water before you drink and such. I don't know, simple, easy little hack. Hope you like it. If you did, hit like and subscribe. Till next time, just remember, life's a hike, so hike happy with rubber bands on your filter. Gorgeous. Thanks so much for sticking around to the end of the video. If you're new to my channel, if you hit subscribe, that'd be awesome. I put out new videos every Thursday around outdoor gear. And if you'd like to support me, you can check out my merchandise. I have my Hike Happy shirt on here at my store. You can click that down below and check out the other apparel that I have. Till next Thursday, just go ahead and watch some of my other videos.